Very good morning. We discuss about the repair and rehabilitation of the structure. Uh, Following that, the figure shows the deterioration of concrete. What is deterioration? In a older building, the roof concrete or roof slab, the inside the plastering, plastering for reinforcement, the corroded steels are in the existing building. The corrosion of the steels to reduce the strength of the building, and at the same time the spalling also occur in the simultaneously. This is a deterioration. Crack. The figure shows the horizontal crack or vertical crack or inclined crack or structural crack, non-structural crack. Some of the cracks are identified, and the different type of cracks also available. We discuss about the further slides. Risk assessment. Risk assessment. Some of the structures are non-destructive test or destructive test to be conducted for strength parameter wise. The figure shows the non-destructive test. Uh, Even though destructive test also conducted for existing structure like core cutter, some of the tests are so also conducted. In this chapter, we discuss about only for non-destructive test. First of all, NDT and um, some other parameters also discussed. This is a simple way to find the existing structure for non-destructive test to find the strength parameters. Repair material. The figure shows the repair material existing concrete and new concrete. Uh, Joints are also one of the drawback for failing the process. Uh, Meanwhile, the water leakage and some of other kind of joint cracks also occur in the new and old concrete joining. These are repair techniques. Some of buildings are olden days building are load not attaining the uh, cross section for the column or any structures. To increase the cross section of the column or beam, any kind of structural element, to increase the cross section. At the same time, the structure also not disturbing the existing building, only for to increase the cross section of the members, vertical member or horizontal member, some of the parameters. Some of the case studies for your reference. First of all, Charminar to find the repair techniques, the design for ambience, design ambience for the structure to repairing work. This is a small kind of work. The right side image is the Great Wall of China. Some of the walls damaged due to some wars. So this is a repair work, and this is not for uh, ambience to increase the ambience and the same time to finish the existing work. Third one, Sundar Nursery, New Delhi. This is the existing left side is the existing building. The same design parameter and the color and height of the building, size of the building, all should be same. But the old building is a very damaged, not of all to get in inside the building. But nowadays the building is fully renovated and to live in the building. So this is a case study for repair and rehabilitation of the structures. Some of introductions about the repair, maintenance, and the rehabilitations. One by one, we discuss about the repair. Repair is a process of restoring something that is damaged or distortion or broken to get new conditions. Some existing building to not living or not ambient for the parents to renovate or repair or some kind of work to be carried out for the existing building and then to get a good condition. This is a repair. Recapitation is a process of returning a building or an area to its previous good condition. What is previously new building? What kind of elevations or some ambience or some structural element are done in the day one? After 10 year or 20 year or 100 year, again the building should come into 0th day or first day of the building. This is a recapitulation. Maintenance is the act of keeping something in good condition by checking or repairing it regularly, like cleaning the floor in every day. This is a one kind of maintenance in the building. Same well to check in the wall, roof slab and roof flooring. These are the weekly or monthly or quarterly to maintain the progress to in case any maintenance work is need means to immediately to maintain the repairing the maintenance. These are the maintenance and repair and rehabilitation of the structures. Two fact of the maintenance are prevent and repair. These are the points to be discussed for assessment progress procedure for evaluating damaged structure. For list one by one, we discuss about the assessment procedure. First one, physical inspection of damaged